In the heart of Medina, this extraordinary street-to-water estate is comprised of 2 lots, totaling over 2 acres of waterfront, with 180-degree views of Lake Washington, the Seattle skyline, and the Olympic Mountains. Classic architecture draws inspiration from East Coast style. The main residence offers over 8,200 square feet of refined interiors. From the spacious kitchen to expansive dining room overlooking the views and wonderful outdoor dining area, the options for entertaining are endless. The formal entertaining spaces continue on the main floor with the spacious living room with multiple sets of French doors to let the outdoors in. Down the hall, find the office and main floor master suite. Truly a residence all on its own. Private and serene, the bedroom area overlooks the view with 2 boutique-sized closets, large spa-like bath, and easy access to the indoor pool for a morning swim. On the upper level, find 3 additional bedrooms, a study area, and playroom. This rare property also includes 2 guest apartments, each with its own kitchen and bath. Enjoy the easy tram ride to the lake, where a cabana, fabulous dock and beach await. With an extraordinary 172 feet of waterfront. Panoramic views. Timeless style, remarkable and rare, only in Medina.